A fantabulous wishes to everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss about nouns. Okay. In grade 1, this topic you studied as naming words. Okay. This topic, nouns, you people studied in last year as a naming words. Okay. They just mentioned as noun here. Okay. Naming words is also called as noun. In previous video itself, I told you that what does mean by naming words. Okay, let us rewind that. Okay, you just listen carefully. Naming words, it's nothing but it's a name of the persons, places, animals or things. That is the naming word. Okay, you just see this circle. Okay, naming words, that is a noun. Now you just see it's a name of the persons, places, things or animals only we used to say as a noun. Okay, for everything, for every person, for every places, it has certain name. I'm right. So that's the thing here they mention name of the persons, places, things or animals. That is a naming words. Okay, there are two type of noun. That is there are two type of naming words. Okay, there are two types of naming words. Let us see what are they. Okay, you just see here, one is common noun, another one is proper noun. First one is common noun and second one is proper noun. You just remember. Okay, while writing also you have to get an idea. Okay, get an image in your mind. You just see here, first one is common noun and second one is proper noun. Okay, common noun, in word itself you understand that common. Okay, that is a general. Generally we are talking. Commonly we are talking. That is a common noun. Okay, and come to the proper noun. It is a exact name. Okay, the proper noun is also called as exact name. Okay, that is a exact noun. Okay, you just see here, common noun. If we talks about generally. Okay, if we talks about commonly or generally, we can use that common noun. Okay, for example, if you take school, there are many schools around us. Right? I mean, in our surroundings there are many schools. Okay, that is the commonly we are mentioning as schools. Okay, and girls also commonly we are saying girls, boys, students, like that we are commonly we are saying, generally we are saying. That is the common noun. Okay, you just see here, first there are two types of nouns. One is common noun, another one is proper noun. First we will discuss about common noun. What does mean by common noun? Common noun is nothing but it talks about the general. That is a commonly. Okay, it talks about commonly, generally it talks about. Okay, here you just see common noun do not begin with the capital letter. Common noun do not begin with the capital letter. You know that what are the capital letters. Okay, so here you just see common noun do not begin with the capital letter. Capital letter, you know, here A, B, C, these are the capital letters. Okay, do not begin with capital letters. So the common nouns do not begin with the capital letter. So words do not begin with the capital letter. So here you just see school. If you take, for example, if you take school, you just write like this. Okay, school. Okay, here it do not begin with the capital letter. Okay, it does not begin with that word. The common noun does not begin with the capital letter. Okay, so you just see, you just forget this. Okay, the capital letter you just forget in the common. Okay, that is a common noun. Okay, and come to the next hand, that is a proper noun. I already told you that proper noun is also called as a exact names. Okay, proper noun is also called as a exact names. Okay, you just see proper noun, it talks about the specific. It talks about the specific thing, or particularly if we are talking, we can use proper noun. Okay, particularly we are mentioning someone or something or some place, that time we can use proper noun. Okay, common noun, it's not like that wholly. Okay, that is a fully we are talking about. Okay, that is the common. Generally we are talking about, commonly we are talking about, that is a common noun. Proper noun is nothing but specifically, particularly if you are talking, that is the proper noun. Exactly, that is the word. Exactly we are talking about something. Okay, here we just talked about school. Generally we talked about school as well as girls, boys, like that. Generally we just talked. Okay, here you just see the example. Sarada school. Okay, here you just see, yes, okay, we should begin the starting letter. Okay, we should begin the starting letter capital. Okay, you just remember in your mind. Specifically I am talking about the school Sarada. Okay, specifically, that is particularly I am talking about the school Sarada. Particularly I am mentioning one person. For example, Rahul, like that. Particularly I am specific that person. That time we can use proper. Okay, the proper noun is nothing but if it talks about specific or particular, that is proper noun. When it commonly we are speaking, commonly we are mentioning, okay, that is a common noun. I mean, you just see generally. If you talk about generally, that time we can use common noun. You just see the example. It will make you to understand better. Example, school. Okay, here school you just see. Yes, we should not begin with capital letter. I am right. Here, yes, we should begin with small letter only. For common noun, do not begin with a capital letter. But when we talk about particular or specific, that time we can use capital letter in the beginning of the word. Okay, you just see Sarada school. So here, yes, we should begin with capital letter. Particularly I am mentioning that school. Okay, specifically I am mentioning that person. So that time we can use what? Capital letter. That is a proper noun. Are you clear with this? Again, I just remember in your mind what are the things I just told you. You just recollect everything. Okay. We will just rewind everything. You just listen carefully. First, naming words. In grade first, you just studied as a naming words, but here they mentioned as a noun. Okay, naming words is also called as noun only. It's a name of the person, place, thing or animal. That is a people, people, places, things or animals. That is a naming word. For every object or for every person, it has or they have some names. I'm right. So that's the thing. That is a naming word. For everything around us, it has certain names. I'm right. So there are two types of naming words, nouns. First one is common noun and second one is proper noun. Okay, common noun is nothing but it talks about the general. Okay, it talks about the general. Commonly it talks about, that is a common noun. For example, if you take girls, boys, students. Okay, if you take commonly, we are mentioning, not that specific person. Commonly I am saying boys, girls, like that I am saying. Okay, students, like that I am saying. So that is the what? Common noun. Okay, and it it does not begin with the capital letter. Okay, the common noun does not begin with capital letter. And come to the proper noun, it talks about the specific, that is the particular. Specifically I am mentioning that girl. Okay, specifically I am mentioning that school name. Okay, that is the proper noun. Proper noun is also called as exact nouns. Okay, exactly I am talking about that person. Okay, Sumitra, like that I am mentioning that girl name. Okay, here it comes under the proper noun. Okay, Jinji, particularly I am specific that place. I'm right. So that is the proper noun. And proper noun, it begins with the capital letter. Okay, it begins with the capital letter, but common noun do not begin with the capital letter. I hope you understand so far. If you have any query in this topic, you can ask me. Surely I will make it clear. Thank you so much for your watching.